the loss?
Well, Rain or Shine came out and wanted the game so much more. They were a lot more aggressive, and we were not able to match it. Evidence, we took 3 free throws the whole game. So, kulang kami sa aggressiveness, I guess. But, you know, that's the way it goes.
What about yung medyo mag-physical yung game with Victor and Cobontin getting called for a play on foul?
Hindi lang naman sa amin yun, sa kanila rin naman. So, it's the playoffs, what can I say?
Coach, ano lang, Pogs, paano lang magiging yung next 2 days heading into game 4?
Yeah, hopefully, but malabo pa rin yun. It's a very doubtful game.
Coach, definitely it's not an excuse, no? Yung Pogoy being out.
It's not an excuse. It's a big factor, but it's not an excuse.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you.